I realized I made a mistake when I installed the position for the toilet. This is why I put the toilet flange. You actually have to go in this corner right here. The toilet gonna be over here, then the vanity gonna take this place, and there's gonna be a shower in the corner. So I gotta move the toilet flange from here to this area. I'm gonna make a cut in this section right here and move the pipe right here closer to this stud. That should leave me enough space to put the toilet. The minimum spaces you need to the back wall is 12 inches. Don't forget to add in your finish wall. In this case, a 1/2 inch drywall, and it's 12 inches. And side to side spacing is minimum of 15 inches. This is my drywall reference, and 15 inches is right there. I added an extra 1.25 inches, which bring it to 16.25. I'm going to cut the hole and drop the flange in it. I made my mark where I'm gonna cut it, and that should give me enough room to put this 90-degree here and travel that short distance and put another 90-degree that goes straight up. After sand all the pipe and fitting, I try fit everything, then I mark them with marker, and that way when I put them back, everything will align the way they're supposed to. Now I'm going to take everything apart, apply PVC primer, then PVC glue. And this is how I was able to move the bathroom flange to the corner of the wall. Now we are one step closer to get this bathroom done.